dear student class 12 on Assalamu alaikum on 6th of August 2020. Our topic is writing skills. From right square take letter writing. You know that letters are actually messages. Letters are messages. You know certain letter forms have been established gained by experience and custom as the most useful forms, learned and used by every letter writer. If we neglect them, it means ignorance, it means carelessness. You know there are several kinds of letters, for example, personal letters, official letters, and business letters. Each type of letters has a specific purpose or aim. Yes, each type of letter has its own particular form, but there are but there are yes, dear students, there are certain matters of form. There are certain matters of form which apply to all and may be explained below. These six matters of form include heading, number one heading, number two salutation, number three the body, number four subscription, number five signature, and number six superscription on the envelope. Superscription on the envelope. Here, dear students, I can tell you briefly first. Heading. It consists of writer's address and the date. Yes. Number two is salutation. It means courteous greeting. Yes. Number three, the body. It is the main part of the letter. It means communication and message. Yes. Number four, subscription. It means courteous leave taking or conclusion. Number fifth is signature. And number last six number is superscription on the envelope. Sometimes there is also postscription if something is forgotten from letter. Yes, dear students. Yes, dear students. Let me explain these six matters of form one by one. Heading. Heading, you know, it means where you wrote the letter and when you wrote the letter. It is for the information of the reader or whom you sent the letter. It is nowadays. Earlier it was written on the right hand side top of paper on the first page. Nowadays it is written on the left hand side top. वो कश्मीरी में कहते हैं या साफ सरफ कोहरत अब सारा लिखा जाता है बाई तरफ से. It is nowadays written on the left hand side top on the address wire. The address it is written above and the date it is written below. Yes, dear students, for example, I will give a specimen how to write the heading. For example, our higher secondary is in Oregon. Suppose we are writing a letter from Argon. Uh, let us consider this is the first page. This is the first page. This is the left hand side top corner. You will write Aragam, Aragam, Bandipur or Bandipora. Yes, here comma. Then you will write date below 6 August, 6 August 2020, or what the date is. It is not necessarily Oregon, Manipura, it can be any place. Sometimes this address, which is written above, it will be a 3 or 4 lines. 4 lines. But then it can be written in these lines. For example, if you are living in a town or you are writing a letter from a town, for example, ward number 2, Palan Bandipur, Tahsil Bandipur, district Bandipur, next you will write the date. Hope you got. Now, there are different ways of writing the date. Hope, for example, 6 August, 6 August 2020, one way. Second, 6th August, 6th August 2020, or third way, August 6, comma 2020. 2020. Yes. Oh, you can also write like this: 6 8 2020. But in American style, it is written like this: 8 6 2020. Americans write the month first, then the day, and then year. Yes. Hope you have got me. Yes. Heading: where and when you wrote the letter. It is information for the reader if he needs to reply. Nowadays it is written on the left hand side top, the address above, yes, and the date below, but in separate lines. Yes, dear students, our next step is now. Our next step is, our next matter of form is salutation. Salutation और greeting. वो सलाम वगैरह करते हैं या कैसे किसी को हम अवगत करेंगे. Yes, it will depend upon the relation in which you stand to the person to whom you are writing. यानी यहाँ आपको देखना है क्या ताल्लुक है उस आदमी के साथ, उस पर्सन के साथ, उस शख्सियत के साथ जिसको आप चिट्ठी लिख रहे हैं या एप्लीकेशन लिख रहे हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर फैमिली मेंबर्स के लिए है, if for family members, then you will write, for example, father के लिए dear father, or my dear father, but always you want to put comma. Yes, dear uncle, or sometimes you call a person by a nickname. For example, for your little brother, for your younger brother, dear Shanu, etc., etc. Yes. Now for friends. फ्रेंड्स के लिए क्या लिखेंगे, कैसे लिखेंगे? हाँ, उनके लिए आप लिख सकते हैं डियर फ्रेंड, डियर फ्रेंड, डियर फ्रेंड, डियर D capital, friend F small. Or if you can write like this, dear, if your friend is Akbar, dear Akbar. Then Akbar here is proper noun, so a first letter capital. Always remember to put a comma after the salutation. Yes, if you write to business people, yes, to business people, कारोबारी लोगों के लिए, यस, तो आप लिख सकते हैं डियर सर, डियर सर if one person, or if more than one person, then dear sirs, dear sirs. Writing dear, it is only formal. You can simply write sir or sirs. Yes. This salutation is also written on the left side, but below the heading, in a separate line. Always remember to put comma after salutation. Hope you have got it. Then what is your number 3? Yes, number 3 is the body. Number 3, communication, or the body of the letter, the body of the letter, really, this is the letter itself. ये जो बॉडी ऑफ द लेटर, ये असल में चिट्ठी होती है, लेटर होती है, एप्लीकेशन होती है, एंड इट स्टाइल विल डिपेंड अपॉन द काइंड ऑफ लेटर यू विश टू राइट. और जो स्टाइल आप इस्तेमाल करेंगे ये डिपेंड करता है किस किस्म की चिट्ठी आप लिखते हैं और किसको लिखते हैं. वेदर इट इज पर्सनल लेटर, वेदर इट इज ऑफिशियल लेटर, और वेदर इट इज बिजनेस लेटर. नाउ डियर स्टूडेंट्स, there are a few points that apply to all letters. A few points that apply to all types of letters. Number A, always divide your letter into paragraphs. Divide your letter, that means the body of the letter. Divide your letter into paragraphs. If need arises, it means if the body of the letter is long, then divide it into paragraphs. Hope you have got it. Second, use simple and direct language. Use simple language, direct language, use simple and direct language, and short sentences. Yes. Then point number C, try to be complete. Try to be complete. Try to be complete. Try to be complete. What does it mean? Give complete information. in clear words, in simple words, in direct language. Yes, why you have to be complete. You have to be complete. It is necessary to avoid postscripts. Sometimes we forget something writing in a letter. We use postscript. So dear students, try to be complete. Number D is write neatly. Write neatly. साफ सुथरा लिखो। हाँ, ताकि जो पढ़ने वाला है या जिसको आप ले चिट्ठी या लेटर एड्रेस करेंगे वो इसको अच्छी तरह से पढ़ सके। जिस चीज़ की आप डिमांड करोगे वो अच्छी तरह समझ जाए, वो इसको अच्छी तरह डिसिफर करे। देन point number 5 or point number E, mind your punctuation. Mind your punctuation. It means where you have to put a comma, where you have to put a semicolon, where you have to put a full stop, etc. So mind your punctuation. If your punctuation is correct, the reader can decipher your letter clearly and accurately. Now, dear students, may I again repeat you few points which apply to all types of letters, which apply to all types of letters, that is to their body. Divide your letter into paragraphs. If need arises, use simple and direct language and short sentences. Point number 3, try to be complete. Number 4, write neatly. And number E or number 5, mind your punctuation. That is why to put a comma, why you have to put a semicolon, why you have to put full stop. Yes, dear students, our next point is subscription. The subscription, 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 it means polite, polite, polite leave taking, शाइस्ता तरीके से रुखसत लेना। Yes, do not stop a letter abruptly all of a sudden. Then if you stop a letter all of a sudden, it looks rude, it looks impolite. Now, certain forms of polite leave taking are prescribed. Certain forms of polite leave taking are prescribed, such as yours sincerely, yours sincerely, yours sincerely, put a comma after it. But remember, don't put a comma on yours, on S or. Yours sincerely, or just like this, your best friend, your best friend, your best friend, your Y capital, but rest all small. Yours faithfully, yours faithfully. Yes. Where is the subscription written? Question arises. The subscription is written below the last words of letter. Last words of the letter. It is written on the left hand side. It is written on the left hand side. Previously it was written on the right hand side. Now the pattern has changed. Now it is written on left hand side. Below the last word, or where the last words of the letters. Where they are all last words of letters. Yes, dear students. Subscription. Now number 5 is fifth metaphor. Signature. Yes, signature. It is the name of the writer. Signature. It is the name of the writer. Name of the writer. लिखने वाले का नाम, जिसने चिट्ठी लिखी. तो ये कहाँ लिखा जाता है? It is written below the subscription. For example, if your subscription is yours sincerely, फिर आप नीचे लिखेंगे अपना नाम. For example, my name is Abdul Majid, or your name, or whosoever has written the letter. Yours sincerely. It is number 5. Now, what is signature? It is name of the writer. Then there is number 6. Number 6 is the superscription. The superscription. It is written on the envelope. ये लिफाफे पर लिखी जाती है, और if there is postcard, on the postcard. For example, अगर आपको किताबों का एक सेट मांगना है या स्टेशनरी मांगनी है. For example, in your organ there are bus stationers. तो आप लिफाफे लिखेंगे to the bus stationers Oregon Badipur, और स्टेट का नाम भी लिखेंगे, और पिन कोड अगर हो पिन कोड वो भी लिखेंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल पिन कोड फॉर आवर बांडीपोरा तहसील इज 19350. तो इस तरह लिखेंगे आप द बट स्टेशनर्स Oregon Badipur pin 193502. Yes, dear students, hope you have got me. I will again repeat for you people. Yes, 6 methods of form, they apply to all types of letters. Number 1, you know, it is heading. Yes, what heading means? It consists of number, a writer's address and the date. Second is salutation. It means polite or courteous greeting. Number 3 is communication or message. It is the main body of the letter. Yes, number 4 is subscription, or it means polite or courteous leave taking or conclusion. Then there is signature. Signature is the name of the writer. Then there is last if you put the letter into an envelope, then you have to write the superscription. For example, the birth station of Aragam Bandipur with pin code. Yes, dear students. Now you know letters are classified on the basis of their purpose. Personal letters that pass between friends and relatives, यानी जो जिनमें खत किताबत कॉरेस्पॉन्डेंस होती है दोस्तों के दरमियान या अपने रिलेशंस के दरमियान. Second is official letters. You know they are written to the officers of the government and public bodies. There may be letters of complaint or letters to the press. Then third type of letters is business letters, or also known as commercial letters. Yes, dear students, they are written on business matters. Now we will try to write some letters. I will give you some specimens. Hope you will absorb these and try to write on your own more letters of all these forms, that is personal letters, official letters, and business letters. Hope you will be ready. I will suggest you one. Write a letter to your father telling him what you intend to do after passing your 10+2 examination. Yes, dear students. First, we will try from personal letters. Write a letter to your father telling him what you intend to do after passing your 10+2 examination. Naturally, इस साल आप 12वीं में हो तो आपको एक 12वीं का इम्तिहान देना है. उसके बाद क्या करना है, आपको अपनी जगह पे सोचना है मैं क्या लिखूं, अपने अब्बा जान को मैं क्या लिखूं. ये तो मालूम है आपको चिट्ठी का फॉर्मेट क्या है, लेटर का फॉर्मेट क्या है. Certainly you will start with your address. For example, you in City Bandi, Aragam, Bandipur. City Bandi on the left top, Aragam on the left top. Then below you will write Bandipora, below JDK, then date 6th August 2020. Yes, you have to address your letter to your dear father. So you will write salutation, my dear father. My dear father. Yes. तो कैसे चिट्ठी शुरू करेंगे? You will first note some points on a rough. Then you will arrange them. Then you will organize them. Then you will make corrections in spells, and then you will start to write. Always remember your sentences, your writing should be brief, simple, direct. Always use the words you know their meaning. Those words you know their meaning. Yes. तो हम पहले इंटेंट करेंगे क्या लिखना है. अपने मन में अपने दिल में सोचेंगे क्या लिखना है. मसलन आप अपने जब्बा जान को लिखेंगे. आपको ये जानकर बड़ी खुशी होगी कि मेरा एग्ज़ाम ख़त्म हो गया. तो मैंने अपने जो मेरी सर्टिफिकेशन थी उसके मुताबिक मैंने अपने पेपर अटेम्प्ट किए. मुझे उम्मीद है मैं फर्स्ट डिवीज़न हासिल करूंगा. आपको मालूम है रिजल्ट 40 दिन के अंदर अंदर या 1-2 महीने के अंदर अंदर तमाम होंगे, नतीजा बरामद होंगे. हाँ, आपने मुझे पूछा था कि 12वीं इम्तिहान पास करने के बाद आप क्या करोगे. मुझे मालूम है अब्बा जान, आप जो मेरी आला तालीम के लिए खर्चा आएगा वो बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकेंगे, क्योंकि आपको एक बड़ी फैमिली की जिम्मेदारी है, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. तो ये पॉइंट्स आप नोट करते जाएंगे. इसलिए मैंने सोचा है, मैंने फैसला लिया है कि मैं कोई टेक्निकल कोर्स करूं, जैसे कोई ट्रेड ITI में. हम जानते हैं कि हज़ारों लोग जो हाईली क्वालिफाइड हैं वो इस वक्त बेरोजगार हैं. तो मैंने क्या सोचा है, आफ्टर पासिंग ITI डिप्लोमा मैं क्या करूँगा, मैं अपना बिजनेस यूनिट शुरू करूँगा और मज़ीद तालीम हासिल करने के लिए मैं इवनिंग क्लास ज्वाइन करूँगा। किस मोड के ज़रिए, डिस्टेंस मोड के ज़रिए, जैसे आजकल इग्नू है वगैरह वगैरह या मानो है। हाँ, मुझे उम्मीद है कि जो मेरा प्रपोजल है आप इसके साथ एग्री करोगे। मैं चाहता हूँ कि आपको मैं मदद करूँगा, मॉनिटरी हेल्प करूँगा जो आपकी फैमिली लायबिलिटीज़ हैं। यस, मैं आपके पास 1 हफ्ते के अंदर अंदर आ सकता हूँ। मेरी सलाम कहना मम्मी को और गुड विशेस देना उनको जो बाकी फैमिली मेम्बर्स हैं। मैं आपकी आपकी अनमोल राय का मुंतज़िर हूँ। आपका प्यारा बेटा, योर लविंग सन, फिर आप अपना नाम लिखेंगे नीचे, और योर लविंग डॉटर, योर लविंग सन और योर लविंग डॉटर। The time has gone, the time has passed out. Today it is enough. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.